Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to find phone contacts on X. So first of all, open X application on your device, and then you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. Now let's scroll down to settings and privacy, and as you can see, your settings are divided into several sections. You want to go to privacy and safety section. Now let's find discoverability and contacts. And here finally under the tab contacts, you want to find this option that says sync address book contacts, and please turn this on. After this, X platform will ask you to give access to all contacts. You can select whether you want to share all of your contacts that you have on your phone, or you can select specific contacts that you want to share on X. And after this, you will see your contacts in this. If you tap this glass magnifying icon, that's Explore tab on your X application, and here you need to scroll to section Who to Follow, and if you expand it right here you might see your contacts, and from here you can follow people that you have in your contacts on your phone. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.